Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the latest trends and technologies shaping our world. In today's episode, we delve into the fascinating realm of AI and its impact on modern warfare. From unmanned vehicles to advanced analytics, AI is revolutionizing military capabilities in ways we could never have imagined. So, let's dive in and discover how AI is enhancing military operations and shaping the future of warfare. The rise of AI in warfare. Over the past decade, artificial intelligence has become a game changer in many industries, and the military domain is no exception. With the ability to process vast amounts of data and make informed decisions in real time, AI has taken on an indispensable role in modern warfare. It enables military forces to tackle complex challenges effectively, from intelligence gathering to operational planning. Segment 1. Autonomous systems and robotics. One of the most significant impacts of AI in modern warfare is the development of autonomous systems and robotics. AI-driven unmanned vehicles, such as drones and autonomous submarines, are transforming military operations by reducing the risks faced by human personnel. These advanced systems can carry out surveillance, reconnaissance, and even engage in combat, providing militaries with enhanced situational awareness on the battlefield. Segment 2. Intelligent command and control systems. Another crucial area where AI is enhancing military capabilities is through the development of intelligent command and control systems. These systems leverage AI algorithms to process data from various sources, such as satellites, sensors, and reconnaissance aircraft. By combining and analyzing these diverse data sets, commanders can make better informed decisions, allocate resources effectively, and respond quickly to changing tactical situations. Segment 3. Cybersecurity and defense. With the increasing reliance on interconnected systems and digital communication in modern warfare, AI is also playing a crucial role in cybersecurity and defense. AI-powered algorithms can detect and respond to cyber threats in real time, protecting military networks from attacks. By continuously analyzing patterns and identifying anomalies, AI enhances the resilience of military infrastructure, safeguarding sensitive data and mission-critical operations. Segment 4. Enhanced intelligence and surveillance. Lastly, AI has revolutionized intelligence gathering and surveillance capabilities. By leveraging AI algorithms, vast amounts of data from various sources, such as satellites, drones, and social media, can be rapidly analyzed. This allows military forces to obtain critical intelligence in near real time, identifying potential threats and providing valuable insights for strategic decision-making. As we conclude this episode, it's clear that AI is transforming the landscape of modern warfare and enhancing military capabilities. From autonomous systems to intelligent command and control, the power of AI enables militaries to operate more effectively, efficiently, and with reduced risks to human personnel. With ongoing advancements in AI technology, the future of warfare promises to be shaped by these innovative developments. We hope you enjoyed this exploration of AI in modern warfare. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.